a 4+1 bedroom detached home situated within the waterfront community of Port of Newcastle in Clarington, welcome to 23 Hodnett Crescent. Featuring a 2-car garage, landscaped front gardens, and a charming covered front porch, this beautiful family home also showcases open-themed main-level principal rooms and a fully finished lower level. A ceramic-tiled entrance foyer with double-coat closet opens into an incredibly spacious living room finished with quality laminate flooring. A graciously sized entertaining space, a tray ceiling defines the main living area, while a decor column adds an elegant finishing accent to the room. A ceiling fan circulates fresh air from lake breezes, and California shutters allow for privacy and light control here, as well as in the dining room and in the kitchen. The kitchen is a bright, open workspace of striking light and dark color contrasts, complemented with stainless steel appliances and a double sink. The gray tones of a tiled backsplash and its glass mosaic border, as well as dark countertops with breakfast seating, accentuate the crisp whiteness of the cabinetry. And completing the kitchen is a ceramic tiled floor, a cozy breakfast room, and contemporary ceiling light fixtures. Half walls with decor columns grace the entry to the dining room, an elegant formal entertaining space featuring wainscoting, hardwood flooring, and the warming touch of a corner gas fireplace. From the breakfast area is the sliding door walkout to the backyard, a south-facing outdoor retreat with a storage shed, as well as a 2-tiered wood deck for outdoor entertaining and year-round barbecuing. Nestled off the foyer is a powder room beautifully finished with a space-saving vanity, contemporary mirror and lighting, as well as tiled walls with an accent design. And to the upper level is a carpeted staircase with hardwood railing. Finished with cozy carpeting throughout, the second, third, and fourth bedrooms have light diffusing shades on their windows and ample closet space, while 2 of these bedrooms additionally feature ceiling fans, and all share a 4-piece main washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The light-washed master bedroom also features a ceiling fan and light diffusing shades, as well as a walkout onto a turret-shaped covered balcony overlooking the street. This beautiful personal retreat is finished with wainscoting, has a walk-in closet with organizers, and is complete with a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled floor, a soaker tub with ceramic surround, and a separate shower area with glass door and rain shower. Off a lower staircase landing is a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, ceramic flooring, and access to the garage. And the stairs continue down to a beautifully finished lower level offering wonderful family, entertaining, and play space. Laminate flooring and pot lighting is found throughout most of this level, which features a family recreation area with a gas fireplace and a built-in media unit, a bright and spacious bedroom with cozy carpeting, a niche space ideal for an office or study area, a large storage room, a 3-piece washroom with stone-tiled floor, a glass shower, and a granite-topped furniture-style vanity, and a half wall separating the family room from a space ideal as a games room or kids play area, complete with a crawl space playroom that has additional under the staircase storage. Public transit is a few steps from the front door, while the heart of Newcastle for everyday shopping essentials and services is a 5-minute drive away, and commuters will enjoy the quick access to Highways 401 and the 115. A short 5-minute walk away is the Port of Newcastle Park, which has a pergola, a paved trail with seating areas, and breathtaking views of Lake Ontario, while a few minutes away by car is a full-service marina with 260 slips, a restaurant, and green spaces, as well as being a popular summertime entertainment and event venue.